How to get $50 for free on Prizepicks. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get $50 free on Prizepicks. So to do that, you'll have to first of all apply a promo code which is called max bonus. Now in order for this promo code to work, you'll have to basically sign up for Prizepicks using this promo code right over here, or you can also go to these links, or you can also go to this link right over here. I'll leave the link in the description. You can simply open it from there. Now once you've opened it from there, you'll instantly get $50 when you play your first $5 lineup. So once you play with your first $5 lineup, you'll basically get $50 for free on your Prizepicks. Now you may be wondering, how does the Prizepicks promo code work? So basically, if you sign up using the promo code max bonus and make your first deposit, which will be of $5, and then submit your first lineup, you will basically get the $50 promo funds in your account. So that is basically how you get free $50 on your Prizepicks account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.